Okay lang yun.
Kung dito,
Okay lang, mas maganda ganyan.
tingnan mo, no? This is what they will do, Pag follow mo na ganun, yun sila eh. Diba? Yung katulad na kita mo.
Orthodox style.
Yun.
Conventional.
Ganun yan. So, to counter with that, you play them boom! See? But this is tuloy-tuloy yan. Bang! Kumilos pa. Bang! Boom! Bang! Boom! Tuloy-tuloy na yan. You do not give him a chance. But you attack it. You do not strike it in the air. You hit it in the body. Para hindi ka mapagod. Okay? Dito. Bang! Boom! Bang! Boom! Tuloy-tuloy na yan. Leave him when he is already dead. We are not fencing here to kill, but to defend also. So, ganun ka pa, marunong siya sa loose fighting. But we have to strike it, loose fighting. Para in case, tulapit, yun mo kayo. Bro, just imagine if your strike can travel very fast, nobody can disarm it. That's why disarming maging effective when it comes to like this, bigay-bigay, effective yan. Kung yun, hindi mo disarm. But, pwede disarm. Boom! Yan. Ang disarming natin, ilawa. We are hitting. Hey, boom! You disable it. That's what disarming. Hindi ka naman. Hindi ka hawakan mo. It's okay also. Okay, in